Hello everyone, I am Gaurav Mishra, a student of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and today I will be doing a presentation on a case study of Indian plastic waste in road construction. Today we will be talking about the problem of plastic wastes in India and understanding the environmental and health impacts of plastic waste. Global Plastic Waste Challenge. Plastic waste has emerged as a critical global issue, with India alone generating around 9.46 million tons annually. This staggering figure highlights the urgent need for effective waste management strategies to combat this growing problem. Environmental pollution. The accumulation of plastic waste significantly contributes to pollution in both terrestrial and marine ecosystems. Plastics can take hundreds of years to decompose, leading to long-lasting environmental degradation. This also has a huge impact on wildlife, as plastic waste possess severe threats to wildlife. Animals can ingest plastic or become entangled, leading to injury or even death of the animal. This disruption of ecosystems affects biodiversity and health of these species. It also poses human health risks and challenges also in recycling, as plastic is unrecyclable. And this proves a need for innovative solutions. So we have to address the plastic waste crisis, requiring innovative solutions that go beyond traditional waste management. This includes developing new materials, enhancing recycling processes, and promoting sustainable practices. Plastic waste in road construction. This is a sustainable solution found for managing plastic wastes in India by integrating shredded plastic into asphalt mixes, presenting a sustainable approach to addressing this plastic waste. This method not only diverts plastic from landfills, but also contributes to a circular economy where waste materials are repurposed. It provides enhanced durability for the roads, also is water resistant, and is cost effective, as this method utilizes waste materials, but it also offers cost savings in the long run by reducing the need for frequent repairs and maintenance. This also has a positive impact on the environment, as it uses waste materials and contributes to cleaner cities and encourages more sustainable construction practices across the industry. The methodology for road construction. First, the plastic waste is collected by gathering the various types of plastic waste from designated collection points, ensuring a diverse range of materials for processing. The second step is the cleaning process, removing contaminants and impurities from the plastic waste. The third step is shredding, which includes cleaning the plastic and shredding it into small and manageable pieces to facilitate mixing with the bitumen, enhancing material compatibility. The fourth step is mixing it with bitumen, which includes combining the shredded plastic with hot bitumen to create a uniform mixture, which improves the performance characteristics of the road material. The fifth step is temperature control, where we maintain optimal temperatures during the mixing process to ensure effective binding of plastic and bitumen. And the sixth step is the road construction itself. There are 4 evaluation criteria for success. First is cost effectiveness. This analyzes the economic viability of using plastic waste in road construction. Durability and performance. This analyzes the longevity of roads constructed with plastic waste. The third one is environmental impact. This measures the reduction in plastic waste entering landfills. And the fourth is scalability. This assesses the potential for adopting this method across different regions and conditions. Now, here's some data and evidence shown for the above points. Here we can see, as per the data shown, uh, uh, of plastic roads in comparison to the conventional roads. The first metric is cost reduction, and we notice that there's a 15 to 20% of cost difference when it comes to plastic roads as compared to conventional roads, making plastic roads 15 to 20% cheaper. Durability, plastic roads show almost a 3-year higher durability or lifetime. The CO2 emissions when producing the roads are almost 200 tons per kilometer lesser than the conventional roads. And the plastic used or the plastic wastes used and reduced from the public spaces are around 1 to 10 tons per kilometer. Pioneering use of plastic waste. India has emerged as a leader in utilizing plastic waste for road construction, showcasing a sustainable approach to waste management and infrastructure development. There have been significant project examples, a notable one being in Tamil Nadu, which demonstrates the effectiveness of this technique with over 1,600 kilometers of roads constructed using recycled plastic, setting a benchmark for other regions. It's enhanced durability and cost efficiency, and it also has practical application insights. The case study shows the practical applications of using the plastic waste, including methodologies employed in road construction and the technologies involved. There have also been challenges faced, like sourcing the plastic waste, ensuring quality control, and gaining stakeholder support. And there have also been a lot of positive outcomes, like improving road quality, contributing to environmental sustainability, and reducing the plastic waste in landfills, highlighting a successful model for other countries to follow. There have been a few quality concerns. One significant challenge highlighted is the quality and consistency of plastic waste, which can affect the integrity and durability of constructed roads. And this also requires specialized equipment needs. Scaling the initiative. Future options include expanding the initiative to additional regions, which may involve adapting methods to local conditions and waste management practices. We also would need to improve the waste collection systems. And public-private partnerships can foster collaboration towards sustaining practices, facilitating the integration of plastic waste into road construction. And continuous research and development are also critical for addressing the challenges associated during this method. Here are some key findings and conclusions about this case study. There's been a significant waste management solution. Economic advantages were also noticed by incorporating plastic waste in road construction. This proved to be really environmental sustainable as it reduces plastic wastes and thereby lowering carbon emissions associated with the production. This also provides opportunities for policymakers where they can leverage findings from this case study to formulate regulations that encourage the use of recycled materials in construction. Collaboration among stakeholders was also noticed. Successful implementation of plastic waste in road construction requires collaboration among various stakeholders, including governments, construction companies, and environmental organizations. And lastly, the investments in research and development. Continued investment in research is crucial to explore new technologies and methods for recycling plastic waste in construction. This will enhance the effectiveness and safety of using recycled materials in infrastructure projects. With this, I'll end my presentation. Thank you.